Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be trying to make a DIY poppet. So I've got this card and I've started making the circles for the poppet, and this is what it looks like so far. I've folded it so when I cut them out it's going to make two so I can stick them on like both sides. But I'm going to colour them in now. Oh yeah. Alright guys, so I just finished colouring them in this black pen. Now I'm gonna unfold it. Okay, so you can like see them. This is just a picture I did, but now I'm gonna draw them on the other side. Okay guys, for this bit I am gonna be using some scissors, but I think I'm making the square one, so I'm gonna start cutting. Okay guys, I've cut it out. Now I'm going to put sellotape all over it. Okay guys, I've done one. I covered it in sellotape. Now all I need to do is cut a little bit. There we go. Guys, I actually did it wrong, so I'm going to start again. Alright, so I've cut my first one out. Alright guys, I did it. Done my first one and it actually works. This is quite good actually. I've done my second one though, it's not as good as my first one. Okay guys, I've done my third one. It's pretty good. I'll be back when I've done all of them. Okay guys, so I finished cutting them all out. They are all right there. Now I'm just going to get a piece of paper and make the platform for them. Okay guys, I found the perfect pieces of paper for them. They were just laying around in my room, and they're cardboard as well. That's really good. Alright guys, so I just cut around the poppet pop things, and then I just made circles around them. I made a mistake right here. That's why I cut around them, because they were just squares. So now I'm gonna do that on the other side. Okay, so I cut the first hole, and like there's 4, 5, 6 more to go, and that was really hard because the scissors keep breaking. So I'll be back when I've done all of them. Guys, I've finally finished it. Now all I need to do is paint it or colour it or something. And then I need to sellotape all of these on, and then sellotape the whole thing. Alright guys, so the first side of colouring is done. And then I just have this other side to colour. Alright guys, my brother hasn't been in the videos for a long time, so here he is, my brother. So he's not been in videos for a long time. I think he'll be in the next video though. So I'll carry on colouring this. Do you want to help me? So guys, he's going to help me. Alright guys, so both sides are done. Now I just need to wait for it to dry a little more. Then I need to sellotape it all and stick these on. Alright guys, so I've laid all of the poppet things around. Now all I need to do is sellotape it all. Okay guys, my hands are a little dirty, but because I've been colouring it all in, and it finally is done. This is it. Now it actually does pop. It's like, I didn't think it would. Leave a like on the video if you want me to make globbles next, because I could. And probably next video I could make a stress ball if you want me to do that. But this is actually really cool. I messed up a bit on that one because when I was putting the tape on it slid down. It's not the best of ones, but at least it like pops. It's really cool. So next video, I'm going to be making a stress ball. So stay tuned for that. Let's try hit maybe 20 subs by the end of March or something. So see you next video. Subscribe if you want to, and bye.